What's up guys, welcome to another episode of our Cleaning channel. In this video I have special guest Sławek from Cleantle. Sławek is one of the owners, he visited us in Ireland. Overall Cleantle is company that comes from Poland. Sławek, tell us about the brand.
Yeah, we started in 2017. The brand was naming the Cleantle, and 2 years ago we got the rebrand. We make another brand. It's named Cleantle. This is a different product. Very important for us are three things. We have very safe products. We're making safe products for user, for surfaces, so it's very important. The second thing is multitasking. So like our coatings, you can put this product on the different surfaces. You can put it on the glass, on the paint surface, on the plastic. So it's very multitasking. And the third thing is biodegradability. Yep. So the products are mostly biodegradability, or a lot of products are 100% biodegradability.
Let's tell us about the products. So here we have the product that when I started Richie, it was one of the first products I tested, and from this product I got idea. I want this brand in my shop. It's interior cleaner, ready-to-use product. Comparing to any other interior cleaners I've ever used, this product works to the point where I was actually over the moon with it. How is it even possible to create ready-to-use product that has very balanced pH? It's gentle for surfaces, for user, but it does work.
This is a very similar product to the APC,
yeah,
but it's ready to use, like you said. You can use it on the different surfaces, in car, to seats, or also Alcantara seats. If you have it, you can bonnet it. You can cleaning the dashboard, also screens if you have it. In car, yeah, and that's the multitasking of this product.
Yeah, so this is what got me with this product. As most of interior cleaners, they're very good for sort of general cleaning, but with this product I can clean dirty surface. I tested it on mechanic's van, which was covered in grease, yeah, and it actually I was absolutely amazed. Let's talk about I presume your baby, Cleantle Admire ceramic coating. I know this product you can apply on different surfaces, like obviously paint, you can apply it on glass, plastic trims, you can also apply it on rubber surfaces.
Yeah, our coating, we're thinking about the products which you can use basically in your garage, yeah, in studio, of course, and professionals can use it. The guy in his garage,
DIY users too.
Yeah, yeah. The durability of this product is 3 years. So if you are taking care about this coating after the application, yeah, it's 3 years or more. Yeah. The 50,000 kilometers. It's a one-coat product, so it's very easy.
Yeah, I use this product basically since you released it. I got sample of it, tested it, and so far I have to say it's probably the most popular coating I've used in my place. And we do quite few cars, and like most of the cars we use with coatings. From my perspective, I find the biggest benefit I find from it is the durability of it, which is very good option for customer, but also the ease of application. I find this product absolutely so easy to apply. So from my perspective, it reduces the cost for my customers, because I don't have to layer it. All the features I noticed from this product, even I tested on my van, are absolutely excellent. But you mentioned something to me that you're gonna change a little bit in that coating.
It will be UV marker. When you apply this product on the surfaces, you can check where is it by the UV lighter. You know?
Yeah, that's pretty cool actually. I think this is something really amazing. I haven't seen it before, and fair play to you for doing that sort of improvement on the coating. Fair play.
First coating in the Europe, I think, with the UV marker. So this is something new on the market, and I think people love that.
Overall, like, the brand has quite few products. I don't even know how many, to be honest, even have them in the shop. But the last product, like one of the latest releases, Cleantle Glossify, a quick detailer. I'm actually amazed of this product as well. I was looking for something like this for a long time. I've seen ads before of different products that they actually do what They meant to do what Glossify do, quick detailer with extremely good darkening properties. In this case, I see this product for different purposes, especially for shows. If you bring your car to show, you have no time to prep it like this product. Obviously, it's not gonna do paint correction, or it's not gonna make the car brand new or anything.
This product can make the paint surfaces, like if you have a dark car, it will be darker. You know, if you have some haze or little scratches on the surface, this product can cover it. You know, and it will be. It's like a show wax on the for events or something. But very easy to use. You don't need to spend some hours of waxing the car. It's like QD, so it's like a philosophy of QD. You just apply this on the
easy and quick. Now, to be honest, I've used waxes that actually give this kind of result, but then you're talking about long preparation. You have to spend a good bit of time. Where this product actually, I use it on a car, 10 to 15 minutes, everything done. Car looks amazing from product in a liquid form.
And also you can put it on the different surfaces like the other products.
Now, because probably most of people are gonna ask how long it lasts, because people are looking for solutions that they don't have to put any work. Well, some of them they're looking for products that cost nothing. They don't have to do other work and will last forever. Now it's a quick detailer, so I wouldn't expect some long durabilities from it. But tell us about the durability. If there is even actually sense talking about durability when you're talking about quick detailer.
Basically, these products can be on the surfaces 2-3 weeks or more. The weather is very important. Here in Ireland, it's more rainy than in Poland.
It might not last us.
I think it will be, if you are washing your car 2 times per month, it will be 2 or 3 washes and up.
So we have to wrap up, and the reason of that is today myself and Sławek are doing open day with Cleantle brand for detailers from Ireland. Let's have a look at the shots from the event. So Sławek, thanks for your time. It was a pleasure to have you here. I hope you enjoyed the journey to Ireland and the time you spent here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment below. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe my channel so you'll see more detailed content. You can also see what Cleantle brand do, so they have their own social media. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one.